Hello guys, welcome to another episode of PowerPoint Institute. In next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how we can make our presentation look stunning using different shapes and color patterns. So without wasting your time, let's begin. I help students, teachers and corporate peoples to create impressive presentations. If that sounds like you, click on the subscribe button and don't miss out on future tips. If you are already subscribed, click on the little bell icon to get notified on the future videos. Shapes are a great way to make your presentation more interesting. PowerPoint gives you a lot of different shapes to choose from and they can be customized to suit your needs using your preferences. To get started, go to Insert tab, click the Shapes command, then take a look at the menu and see if there is anything you want to use. In this example, we are going to select the circle. To draw a shape, click and drag the mouse roughly where you want to go. The shape will appear with your current color scheme. The quickest way to change the look of your shape is to use one of the predefined style on the Format tab. These options will depend on the colors that are part of your current theme. Hover each one of the preview and see if there is anything you like. We are selecting today a gradient effect, so please follow and see how beautiful we can make it. You can also use the commands on the right to choose your own formatting options. Thank you for watching. Share your feedback in the comments below and also subscribe the channel. Please do not forget to download this design using the link in the description. Thank you so much.